The role of English audiobooks in thinking faster, tips and techniques. Ever wondered why some people seem to think and respond quickly in English while others struggle to find the right words? What if I told you that listening to English audiobooks could be the key to speeding up your English thought process? Stick around, because today I'll reveal how audiobooks can transform the way you think and speak in English. In today's video, we'll explore how listening to English audiobooks can help you think faster and become more fluent. Audiobooks are more than just a way to enjoy stories. They're an effective tool for training your brain to process English more quickly. I'll share why audiobooks are so powerful, how to make the most of them, and new insights I found online to make your learning experience even better. Audiobooks immerse you in spoken English, training your brain to get used to the natural flow of the language. Unlike reading, listening to audiobooks forces your brain to comprehend English at the pace of a native speaker, helping you get used to rapid thinking. According to language experts, listening activates the same areas of the brain that are used in conversation, which speeds up language processing. I recently discovered a study published on a language learning website that highlighted the benefits of passive listening through audiobooks. The study found that regular exposure to spoken language improves listening comprehension and increases the brain's ability to predict words and phrases, leading to faster thinking in English. How to use audiobooks to train your brain. 1. Start with simple, engaging content. Choose audiobooks that match your current English level but are slightly challenging. If you're at an intermediate level, try listening to audiobooks for young adults or books that have familiar topics. This way, your brain won't be overwhelmed but will still be pushed to process words quickly. Example: some great options include audiobooks like The Little Prince or Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone for engaging yet understandable content. Websites like Audible or LibriVox offer plenty of choices at different levels. 2. Practice active listening. While passive listening helps, actively engaging with the audiobook can make a big difference. Pause after sentences or paragraphs and try to repeat what you heard or summarize it in your own words. This technique helps reinforce comprehension and speeds up your reaction time when forming thoughts. New technique. While researching, I found out about the echo method used by language learners. It involves pausing after a sentence and repeating it as closely as possible to how the narrator said it. This not only trains your brain to think in English but also improves pronunciation and intonation. 3. Increase the playback speed gradually. Most audiobook apps allow you to adjust playback speed. Start at a normal pace and gradually increase it as you get more comfortable. Listening at 1.25x or 1.5x speeds forces your brain to adapt and think faster. But be careful not to go too fast too soon. You want to challenge yourself without compromising comprehension. Pro tip: try listening at different speeds during different activities. For example, while commuting, you might listen at a slower speed for deep comprehension. But during a workout or while doing chores, try a faster pace to train your brain to process quicker. 4. Choose audiobooks with different accents to improve your overall English thinking speed. Expose yourself to various English accents, such as American, British, or Australian. This helps your brain adapt to different pronunciations and trains you to process words faster, no matter who is speaking. Example: listen to classic literature narrated by British voice actors or modern novels read by American narrators. This diversity will enrich your learning experience. 5. Combine audiobooks with transcripts. If you're struggling with understanding, use the audiobook along with its transcript. Follow along with the text as you listen to the audiobook. This helps your brain make a stronger connection between the written and spoken word, reinforcing your ability to think faster. Another tip I found online suggests using background listening during low-focus activities like cleaning or cooking. This type of background immersion keeps your brain surrounded by English without intense focus, allowing subconscious learning to take place and gradually improving your speed of thought. Tips for beginners. Start with short stories or chapters to build confidence. Use apps that have a loop feature to replay difficult sections until you fully understand them. Keep a notepad to jot down new phrases or words and practice using them later. Conclusion: audiobooks can be a game changer when it comes to learning to think faster in English. By actively listening, gradually increasing playback speed, and exposing yourself to different accents, you can train your brain to process the language more rapidly. Remember, consistency is key. Try listening to at least 15 to 30 minutes of English audiobooks daily. Want to take your English learning further? Check out my next video on daily exercises to practice thinking in English without translating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which audiobook you're excited to try first. Until next time, keep practicing and keep mastering your English.